Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can change the name on Instagram. So without wasting time, let's start video. Firstly, open the Play Store and write here Instagram. And make sure your Instagram should be updated. After updating, open it. And you will see profile icon at the bottom. Click on it. After that, click on three line on top right and here click on setting and scroll down the page and you will see account center. Click on it and here you will click on profile. After that, you will see there are two accounts, but you are changing your name on Instagram. That's why you will click on Instagram. After that, click on name and here write your name, which is the name of your Instagram. So after changing the name, click on save options. So in this way, you can change your username on Instagram. So guys, if this video will be helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.